Hiring someone to clean your carpets can be expensive. So, why not hire our Rug Doctor carpet cleaner and have it delivered direct to your door? The Rug Doctor carpet cleaner has the power to reach even the deepest layers of your carpet and breathe new life into your home. You'll be amazed at how affordable it is. Booking is easy. Simply place your order online or call us directly. Your order will be received by our warehouse staff, who will prepare the machine for delivery at a time that suits you. Even if it's your first time hiring, we'll make it as quick and easy for you as possible. We offer a simple 48-hour delivery and collection service, giving you plenty of time to tackle those pesky stains. Then, it's time for us to collect the machine. It's that simple. Rug Doctor Home Delivery. Book online or call us today on 01903 235558.